Hi everyone. This is an extra video demo of how to create unique field names within a Drupal website. Now the reason that I need to cover this in an extra demonstration is that I did not include this particular issue in our written instructions. And it's fairly simple to overcome the issue, but it will save everybody a bit of frustration um, in trying to create your knowledge base forms. Essentially, what we need to do is make sure that all of our custom fields within our forms have a unique field name that differs from every other field name in the database. This prevents the field names from colliding with each other between students working on different forms. So first, let's go up here to the admin menu and click the structure button. And then we're going to open up our knowledge base content type. Click on content types. And you see that my demonstration knowledge base form is here second from the bottom. And I've tagged that form with my name, as I did indicate in the instructions. This will make sure that everybody's form is uniquely identified. We just need to carry that unique identifier idea forward into the individual custom fields that you're going to create. So I'm going to go over here to the Manage Fields link for my knowledge base form and click on that. And here you can see the fields that I have already created for the form. Now you see in the left column, the label column, this label can actually be anything that you want it to be. And it doesn't matter if the label values are unique or not. So if you create a notes field for your form, you can just call the field label notes, and that's what users will see, is this label on each field. However, Drupal itself tracks each field with a machine name. That's why we have this second column here. The machine name has to be unique except for a couple of shareable field types like title and body here. Those you'll see across the whole database, and those can be shared in an infinite number of different types of content and forms. However, all of these fields down here that start with prefix field underscore, these are custom fields that we have to create. And each of these custom fields has to be completely uniquely named. So, for example, if I needed to add another notes field to my knowledge base form here, you can see I'll type in the label notes under add new field. And then over here under machine name, you'll notice that Drupal has created a machine name called field underscore notes based on my label there. Now, you notice that already there is a field called field underscore notes above. So when I click the save button here, I will get an error that will highlight field underscore notes the second time and say, this field name is already in use and it has to be unique. So what can I do there? All I have to do is, if I get this error message, I go to the machine name column and I can add another underscore and I'll add my name. And since I've already done this demo a couple of different times, I'm going to add a number. Now, the field type here, we're going to make long text, just like the other field notes field above. So everything about this field between the two notes fields here is identical except for the machine name. And all I've done is I've added a unique identifier, that underscore kevco9, and that will tell Drupal to create a new unique notes field that is only attached to your form. So now when I save, you'll see that Drupal accepts my new field type. Click Save Field Settings, and we can just click through Save Settings and come back. And now you notice that I successfully added a second notes field. I just gave it a unique machine name there. So for all of your sort of standard type of fields, whether they're notes, keywords, comments, description, those types of field names which are probably going to be reused among all of you in building your knowledge base forms, just remember that when you create that new custom field name, that you add a unique identifier to the end of the machine name. That will make sure that you all can create the fields you need without getting that irritating error message. So please let me know if you have any further questions or need help with this part of the assignment. But I think with this new information in hand, you should be able to very easily finish the rest of the assignment. All right, so have fun, and let me know if you have questions or need help.